How's it going, everyone? Welcome back. It has been probably over a year since my last Vaiot update, but don't you worry. It's been a project I've always been involved with. I just don't need to make YouTube updates on it all the time. Again, that's what my Discord community is all about if you want more of my private moves. But this was one of the first AI projects that I got into a year ago. We've taken advantage of many other AI projects over the last few months since about November, December time. Taking advantage of some projects that since then have done 20x on two of them. And similarly, Vaiot has done incredible since October/November. If we're looking at this bullish candle close over here on the weekly time frame, we're currently up 600% since then and actually topped out at around 867%. Almost a 10x, guys, pretty much 10x, just slightly under it. Let's go from the bottom, exactly a 10x over here. And currently 760% up since the exact low over there. So extremely bullish. Now, this is actually a very old AI project. This was created towards the end of our last bull market, and as you can see, it went down. I wasn't aware of it back then. It was around this area in this consolidation period where I actually found out about it, and of course took advantage of this whole move up. And a coin that we've been analyzing daily in the Discord community, but it's just another AI project for us because we have about 8 in there, with the 2 best performing AI projects already having done, again, one has done 20x, the other one has done 20x, and this one a 10x. So absolutely incredible at the moment. I just wanted to share it once more because it's one that I have done videos on in the past. So, and it has been heavily requested over the last month or so. And if we now zoom into the daily time frame, we can actually see within the last 2 days, so that's yesterday and today, so literally in less than 2 days, we're up 30%. That is incredible. Even when we rejected this price point over here, I maintained that this would be the level of support that we need to see held for bullish continuation. And yes, this can of course still set up as a head and shoulders over here. And we're now creating the right shoulder to come down and eventually lose it and come lower. That can also be the case. But don't be alarmed because this is all short term and nonsense to make you sell, even if we do continue lower, because eventually it will turn around and continue higher. And we could just do that now anyway. So please do understand that. Look, the lowest point of our daily uptrend is the 200 EMA. So even if we do form this right shoulder and get down back to this previous resistance now as support over here, we'd still look for higher eventually. So that would actually be opportunity, but I'm never the person to wait for that opportunity. I'd rather just take advantage of the long-term aspect of looking at this, which is we're going to be at much higher price points in the near future, and you'll be buying those higher price points in the near future. So why does buying here or waiting for this matter? What if that never comes? What if we just go up from here? So I'm never the type to wait. And people that are in my Discord community, they're finally listening. They're all laughing. But it's the people that don't want to even give it a listen. They're the ones still in awful projects that don't move and back holding while we're just profit chasing completely in there. And we saw an opportunity with the AI narrative going into this bull market from last year, and we took advantage of that, getting into one of the older projects. This is our oldest AI project, I believe. And well, apart from, I guess Trias is in AI, but we're not talking about that. It does a lot more than just AI, to be honest, Trias. But specifically AI, Vaiot is our oldest coin. And those newer projects, that's why they've done 20x already, just because they're less than a year old, or they're roughly a year old. So it's always going to be these newer projects that are more hyped. For more information, consider joining the community. The links are down below. But for Vaiot, there's still so much expected gains up ahead. So don't think that you're late because it's moved up almost a 10x, or that it has moved up a 10x. It's all about market caps. Okay, fair enough. If it did a 10x and it's sitting at 10 billion, then what would be the point in getting in that? If a project's 10 billion, you need 10 billion just to double. What do you need to 100x to 10x? Impossible. So impossible to 100x on a 10 billion project. Impossible. So you're not going to make the money there. It's in these tiny projects. That's what we're all looking at, take advantage of. Just like if you just watched my Trias update and my Bitcoin update, which spoke about some RWA projects in there and how we've done 180% literally in the last 4 days. Because we saw BlackRock getting into Rio. Rio was already our top 3 coin even before all of this limelight or the spotlight. We already had it as our number 3 coin. We knew what we held. It's just like all these AI projects that we've done 20x on. I know what I'm holding, but I don't need to share it with absolutely everyone. I'll give you all the hints. Like looking into just any AI projects, honestly, they're all going to do well, especially the newer ones. But even with the likes of Vaiot, it's already done 10x since October, November. And there's still a long way to go. Just look at the market cap. Don't focus on the chart too much. Like with how much it's already grown already, there's still a lot of space to go. So the next direct target, once this dip is completed, we're looking at a over 125% move, or closer to 135% move at the 1618. And at that point, yes, if we get rejected, that's fine. But eventually we're going to result in a 400% move and then another 10x. So there's your 100x, 10x already, and then 10x on the 10x. So that's how you catch 100x's. And at that point, could we still argue it's early? It depends what the market cap is at this price point. So we're now sitting at 115 million. So at a 10x valuation, we're talking about a 1.1 billion market cap. That is completely doable. So there's the 100x, guys. It's done a 10x, and then a 10x on top of a 10x is a 100x. So what you now need to do, and what I'm doing constantly in the chat, is looking for those opportunities of potential 100x's or 1000x's. So you know what to do. I'm always there to help you guys. You just need to pull the trigger. I can't get you to pull the trigger. I can show you as many results as I want, but it's down to you to pull the trigger. We've got over 75 people in there. Over 75 people in there now. Absolutely incredible. Let's get the members to 100. And always the people in there saying, I wish I joined sooner. But yeah, that's it from me today. Huge gains ahead for this beautiful AI project. Look at this monster chart. What has it done since then? Let alone 10x already. And then another projected 10x from here. Absolutely. There's your 100x. If you want a project that's still here and got 100x to more, links are down below. I'll catch you over in there. Like, subscribe, comment, and share. Cheers.